We have studied the parts of plant which take part in the absorption of water. There we have studied the structure of the root, and they are having the four regions. And from that, the four regions, which region they take part in the absorption of the water from the soil. So, student, we have studied there the zone of absorption, or that root hair region, they are responsible for the absorption of water from the soil. Okay, remember, student, the roots they are inserted, or that root hair, they are inserted in the soil solution. Okay, they are inserted in the soil solution. So all along the peripheral area of that root, that area, it is called as the rhizosphere. Okay, that area, it is called as the rhizosphere. Okay, that area, it is called as the rhizosphere. So, student, yesterday we are seeing there this is the root hair. Okay, this is the root hair, and remember, student, this root hair, they take part in the water absorption. Okay, so this root hair, okay, this is the root hair, and whatever the area present around this root hair, okay, that area, actually this is the soil solution. Okay, this is the soil solution, or this is the rooting medium. In that rooting medium, the root hairs are inserted. So this peripheral region of root hair, it is called as a rhizosphere. Okay, it is called as the rhizosphere. So student, remember, the root, they absorb the water from the soil. Okay, but in the soil, what type of water is available? Okay, what type of water is available in the soil? So water available, okay, water available in soil. Okay, water available in the soil. So remember, when the soil, this root hair, they are inserted in the rooting medium, okay, or they are inserted in the soil, and they absorb the water from that soil. But question arises, student, what type of water they absorb? Okay, what type of water they absorb? Before going towards actual what type of water they absorb, what type of waters are available in the soil? Okay, what type of waters are available in the soil? So there are the three types of waters. Okay, the types of water. Okay, types of water present in the soil. So remember, there are the three types of water. The first type of water, it is called as a bound water. Okay, it is called as a bound water. The second type of water, it is called as a gravitational water. Okay, it is called as the gravitational water. And the third type of water, it is called as the capillary water. Capillary water. Okay, so these three different types of water, it is present in the soil. Then we will see now which water is available to these roots. Okay, which water is available. So the first type of water, it is a bound water. So what is that bound water? So the first water, it is the bound water. Okay, the first one, it is the bound water. So this bound water, in what form they bound there? Okay, in what form they bound there? Remember, the hygroscopic water and the combined water, it is called as a bound water. Okay, so this bound water means the hygroscopic water. Okay, hygroscopic water and the the combined water, okay, combined water, it is called as a bound water, okay, hygroscopic water and the combined water, it is called as a bound water. So remember, what is the hygroscopic water? This hygroscopic water means the water molecule, they are tightly wound around the soil particle, okay, they are very tightly held around the soil particle, okay. This the hygroscopic water, okay, this hygroscopic water, suppose this is the soil particle, these are the soil particles, and the water, they are very tightly held around the soil particles, okay, tightly held around the soil particles. So suppose this is the soil particle, okay, and this water, they are tightly held, okay, tightly held around this soil particle. So you remember, student, so why this water, they tightly held along the soil particle? This is again the one of the property of water. So what is the property? Yesterday we saw the property of water, in that because of the hydrogen bond developed in between the water molecule, because of that, that water, they are having the adhesive force of attraction, okay, adhesive force. What is that adhesive force? The attraction between the two dissimilar molecules. So because of the attraction between the soil particle and water molecule, this water, they tightly held around the soil particle. So such a type of the force of attraction, it is called as adhesive force, okay, it is called as the adhesive force. So because of the adhesive force of attraction, the water molecule, they are tightly held around the soil particle. So such a type of water, it is called as hygroscopic water, okay. Then the next type of water, it is a combined water, okay. See, this is the hygroscopic water and this combined water. What is that combined water? Remember, this combined water, they forms the hydrated oxides of the silicon and aluminum. They form the hydrated, okay, hydrated oxides, okay, oxides of the silicon, okay, silicon and the aluminum, silicon and aluminum. So remember, such a type of water, it is called as the bound water, okay, it is called as a bound water. That bound water, it includes the hygroscopic water and the combined water. This hygroscopic water, because of the adhesive force of attraction, the water molecule, they are tightly held around the soil particle. So such type of water, it is called the hygroscopic water. And another one, it is a combined water. That combined water, they are present in the form of the hydrated oxides, okay, they are present in the form of hydrated oxides of the silicon and the aluminum. So remember, student, this bound water, okay, this bound water, it is not available to the plant, okay, it is not available to the plant, or the roots of the plant, they unable to uptake such a type of the bound water. So the bound water, it is not available to the plant. Then we will move toward the next, the gravitational water, okay. The next type of the water, it is the gravitational water. So see, student, the next type of the water, it is the gravitational water. So what is that gravitational water? Remember, all these are the soil particles, okay. These are the soil particles, or no doubt this is the soil, okay, as usual. And these are the soil particle, and this is the rock which are deposited or which are present below the soil. So suppose this is a fertile soil layer, and here some sort of the rock is deposited. So remember, we are talking about the gravitational water. That gravitational water, when the water they are fall because of the rainfall, they are such a type of the water, they percolate down. Okay, they percolate down. Okay, they percolate down because of the gravitational force of attraction. Because of the gravitational force, the water they percolate down. Okay, so because of, remember, this gravitational water, this water they percolate deep because of the gravitational force, and such a type of the water, remember, they saturate towards the lower side of the fertile soil, towards the lower side of the fertile soil. So all the water, they are saturated here. Okay, they are saturated here, and so this water, it is not available to the plant. Okay, they are not available to the plant. The entire water, they are percolate down because of the gravity. Okay, because of the gravity, the water they percolate down. So such a type of water, okay, such a type of water, remember, it is called as the gravitational water. And this gravitational water, it is not available to the plant because the root system of the plant, they are present in this fertile soil. Okay, fertile soil. So such a type of the water, it is not available. So remember, this gravitational water, they percolate down. Okay, they percolate down because of the gravity, and such a water, it is not available to the plant. Then the third type of the water, student, the capillary water. Okay, capillary water. So this capillary water, what is that? The capillary water. The third type of the water, it is a capillary water. Okay, capillary water. So remember, student, what is meant by the capillary water? So suppose these are the soil particles. Okay, so this is the soil particles. So remember, these are the non-colloidal. Okay, non-colloidal soil particles. Okay, these are the non-colloidal soil particles, and the spaces develop in between the non-colloidal soil particle. So this is the space. Okay, so such type of the space, it is developed in between this the non-colloidal soil particle. Okay, so this space, okay, this space, it is look like a capillary. Okay, it is look like a, okay, it is look like a capillary. So when the just after rainfall, the water they present inside the capillary, developed by that soil particle. So this water, they are present in between this space developed. Okay, and that space, it is called as that space, it is exactly the capillary like space. Okay, so the water present in such a space, it is called as the capillary. Okay, it is called as the capillary water. Okay, it is called as the capillary water. So remember, because of the small capillary develop among the soil particle, okay, or within that soil particle, that water, they remain there. They never percolate down. Okay, they never percolate down. So such a type of water, remember, such a type of water, it is available to the root system. Okay, it is available to the root, or they are available to the plant. So remember, student, this capillary water, it is available to the plant, and this bound water and gravitational water, so this bound water and this gravitational water, it is not available to the plant, and only the capillary water, it is available to the plant. Okay, then we will move toward the next part.